Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria Lynn, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Kylie Cosmetics summer collection. So Kylie Cosmetics is constantly launching collections, and I am buying like every single one of them, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like that Kim Kardashian meme of her just like doing this. That's me. When Kylie launches a collection, I need it in my life, and I've been dying to do a look with this palette and use the collection and share it with you guys. So this is the look I did today. It's very signature to the collection. I'm sure you've seen the oranges and the really bright, almost like a fluorescent matte orange everywhere. That is the melon color in this palette. That's like the kickoff color of everything, and I love it. I think it is such a cool color. I'm super excited to give you guys my thoughts on this collection today, and I do have the whole collection. I bought every single thing, so we're gonna be swatching every product. I'm gonna give you the lowdown on everything. So if you guys wanna see the tutorial and see all of the swatches in this look, then be sure you smash that subscribe button. Do it, you know you want to. You should just do it. Everyone's doing it now, and it's free. Subscribe. I almost forgot to mention that I have an amazing giveaway. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving away the Kylie Cosmetics I Want It All palette, and this is actually a part of one of her birthday collections that she launched. When this palette launched, I bought 2 of them, and I love this palette. It is so, so pretty. So if you guys wanna know how you could win the I Want It All palette, then please stay tuned till the end of the video where I'm gonna give you guys all of the giveaway info and rules on how you can enter to win. This is literally so cute. It is so pretty. If you are enjoying this video so far, be sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out, and I would greatly appreciate that. So like it, and without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Alright you guys, so I already have my foundation on and I have my brows filled in. I pretty much have my whole base done. Let's do some before thoughts on the summer palette. So the packaging is really, really bright. We have Kylie written on the front. It is in bright yellow, and the packaging is like an orangey red. It is very summery, and on the back we have all 14 of the shadow names. We have 6 metallics, 8 mattes, so we do have more mattes than we do metallics, but I do like that there are more mattes because you can really deepen the eye and then pop that metallic right on the lid. When I first saw this palette and I saw this black in it, I was really, really surprised because all these colors are very like soft, and they're kind of like more like warm neutral shades. And then we have this really, really deep black shade, and I was just surprised she would throw that in here, but I do like using a black like on the lash line for liner. Yeah, this color definitely stood out against all the melony shades for me. I know all of you guys probably are drawn to the oranges, but of course I was like, ooh, that black, that is really nice. Very unique against all these orange colors. I just wasn't expecting her to pop that in there like that. It is a warm tone palette, but I think the fact that there is a black shadow popped in there against all these melons and oranges, it does make it a little different than most warm tone palettes that you see. So if you want to see swatches on this palette, be sure to follow me at Victoria Lynn. I'm going to have them on my Instagram. In my highlights, it'll say swatches, and you can check them out there. I'm going to be swatching most palettes that I use here on YouTube on my Instagram, so follow me at Victoria Lynn. You know what to do. Before I apply shadow any day of the week, anytime, I always go in with the Urban Decay Even Primer. This is like my ride or die primer. I actually need a new one soon because I have used it so much, and I just love it because it does color correct the lid and evens out skin tone, so it gives a really nice base to kind of apply shadow to. So I'm just gonna apply this on the lid, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a big brush. I also don't set my eye primer, so if you're looking for more of like a pigmented, really poppin' look, don't set your primer. Don't even put powder on it, just leave it like this, and you might need to blend a little bit more, but the shadows are gonna show up so much more pigmented. So I'm gonna dip into the shade Melon, and I definitely feel like Melon is the kickoff color of this whole palette. That one is definitely one that I gravitate towards too, as well as the black, and then this orange one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out by applying it to my outer corner, and then I'm gonna bring it up into the crease. And when I apply the shade Melon, I'm just tapping it in first, and then slowly kind of bringing it into the eye. So next I'm gonna grab the shade Blazing, and it's this like matte kind of brown shade. I feel like it's like a medium brown. This is a really nice color to deepen everything up with. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this shade. Apply it right to the outer corner and then bring it in. And next I'm gonna grab this shade here, and I believe this one is called I think this one is called Blazing, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna pick that up and I'm just gonna slowly bring this into the crease. So I'm just patting that into the lid and then just blending. So there is like a deep plum in this palette, and it's this one right here. It's called Suns Out, Buns Out. I'm gonna pick that up and I'm gonna go ahead and lastly just deepen the outer corner even more with this color. I'm gonna grab the shade Pool Day, and I really like that there is like a matte kind of bone color in this palette because I love applying colors like this in the brow bone, and I feel like colors like this always calm down a look whenever I want to kind of bring that crease color down a little bit. Applying a shade like this over it always makes it look a little bit softer. So on the lid, I definitely want to go in with the shade Juicy, and it's this super pretty metallic orange. So I always spray my shimmers with Fix Plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with this. I usually do like 2 sprays. I like how it turns like an eyeshadow into almost like a liquid shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right to the lid. I'm gonna grab the shade here called Sun Kiss, and I'm gonna go ahead and press that onto the lid as well. And this is a super pretty, like bronzy, brown shade. I'm gonna go ahead and press this into the lid with my finger, and I'm just blending the shade Juicy and all of those outer corner colors together. And the shade Bikini Mama, I just really wanna try this out because it looks so pretty. I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and lay Bikini Mama right like kind of on the center of the lid. So how I'm gonna utilize the black in this look is I'm actually gonna pick it up on a thin brush, and I'm gonna smudge this along the outer lash line. And this shade is called Always In. And I'm just diffusing that black with a small blending brush. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and first line the waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Lucky. And this is almost like an orangey, bronzy color. So I'm first gonna grab the shade Melon, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying that on the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna connect that shade to the top shadow. And just to deepen up the outer corner area of the eye, I'm gonna grab this shade, and I'm just gonna place that in the outer corner of the eye. For more of the inner corner area of the eye, I'm gonna grab the shade Juicy, and I'm gonna wet my brush again. I'm gonna go ahead and place that towards the inner portion of the eye, going towards the inner corner. And lastly, for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Summer, and I'm just gonna apply that into the inner corners of the eye. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to the lower lashes, and then we can move on to lips. All right, you guys, so the eyes are done, and I wanted to use the wet set. So I actually just bought this, and this is not a part of the summer collection, but I really, really wanna use it. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Unbothered, and it looks really kind of like golden. I hope it's not too dark, but we'll see. I don't know if you can see, but when I put my brush on the product, it almost looks like a cream. I am so excited to see how this looks. Okay, let's see how they apply. Dang. Okay, this is actually really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, I actually dipped into the shade Privacy Please. This one right here is so pretty. Do you see that? That is insane. Okay, I need to blend that. Okay, the wet set is so pretty. I'm so in love with the way these apply. They are definitely not like a powder. They're almost like a cream, and they feel really, really wet when you touch them. They literally feel like you're sticking your finger in like a cream highlighter, but I love the way they apply. This is probably one of the most unique formulas like I've ever tried when it comes to highlighters. So with the summer collection, Kylie launched 5 lipsticks, and I really liked all these colors, so of course I ended up buying all of them. Did I need all of them? No, I definitely could have just gotten like 1 or 2, but I ended up getting all of them. These in the tube are by far my absolute favorite from her. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys, and I'm definitely gonna be putting one of these over the top. These are these super glitter glosses, and there were 3 launched with this collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys to show you all of the colors, and then I am probably gonna be putting on the tangerine shade because this one is just so perfect for this look. Orange on orange look for this collection. Guys, here is the final look using the Kylie Cosmetics Summer Collection. I was so not prepared for how many lipsticks were in this collection. I totally forgot how many she came out with, and we're gonna talk all about the collection now. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it, how I felt about it. So the summer palette, I had really high hopes for this palette, and I really loved it. Personally, for me, this palette is more of a fall palette. I wouldn't really consider these colors to be summery. I mean, the oranges are, but these to me seem like fall. But the cool thing about that is you're actually getting into fall, and you will definitely find use for these colors because they are so like kind of fall-esque, with like the reddish tones, and then the black really makes it fall in my opinion. These colors in this palette are very, very complementary, a really pretty warm color story. I love the melon color. That was probably my favorite in this whole palette. It's very warm, it's spicy. I just love this color story. I think it is so pretty. What I find pretty awesome about this palette too is there was barely any fallout at all. Even when I was applying it to my eyes, the shadows were just really adhering to my eye very well, and they blended out easily. I feel like every eyeshadow palette that Kylie launches, it just keeps getting better and better formula wise, and I also really like the colors that she's been kind of placing together in these palettes lately. And I can't say that it's like every other warm palette. I have so many warm palettes, but I feel like this one does read very differently to me on the eyes, and it is very unique in its own warm palette, warm tone way. I love the way these colors look together. I think that they look awesome. Love the palette. I think that that black shade is a game changer for all of these colors. You throw that black in and it takes a look from very wearable to almost like a nighttime look, and it makes it so much more glam. So I do really like the way the black complements all of the other colors in this palette. We need to talk about these lip glosses. They are pure magic. When I was swatching these, the one that stood out to me that I was like, whoa, that looks so amazing on the lips. Like, it almost didn't look real. It looked so beautiful. It was this one here called Chill Peel, and this is almost like a lavender duochrome gloss. These don't feel sticky when you apply them. They almost don't feel like a typical gloss. They're not like slick or anything. The eyeshadow palette in these were so pretty. I just cannot get over these colors. Now, this color on Wednesdays was another one of my favorites from this collection. I think it is so pretty. It is a very kind of warm pink color, almost like a corally pink. So we have 5 of the lipsticks here, and I have on the shade Tangerine, but I love this color. I think it is such a summery color. It is so summery. It is summer. So if I had to pick 3 things I think that you should pick up from this collection, I would definitely say the eyeshadow palette was really nice if you are looking to buy a palette from Kylie Cosmetics. I loved this one. Thought it worked amazing and the colors look so beautiful together. So love the palette. I really enjoyed the Tangerine lipstick. I think it is such a pretty matte orange lipstick and it's amazing for summer. Like, this is summer in a lipstick. It is so summery beyond words. It is very bright in person. It looks bright on camera, but in person it is still very, very bright. It is very pretty. And I also really like the super glitter glosses. These look unreal in person. They have so much glitter in them and they are so gorgeous. I really love this color Chill Peel. If you like lavender pinks, you will really like this color, and I think it's so unique, so different. And I love that they're like duochrome glosses, so they just read off like very shifty and they look so beautiful on the lips. So if you are watching this video right now, I'm sure you're ready for the giveaway rules, and they are super simple if you want to win the I Want It All palette. And this was actually a part of one of Kylie's birthday collections. These shadows are literally so pretty. I love the pink. I love all of these colors. So all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and be following me on Instagram at Victoria Lynn. And after you do that, be sure you comment down below what your Instagram username is so I can check and make sure that you followed all the rules and you're subscribed and following me. And that is all you have to do. It is super simple. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna be announcing on this date that I will put right here at the bottom of the screen. And I announce all of my giveaways on IG stories, so be sure that you check there if you want to find out if you won. All right, you guys, if you really enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it and subscribe before you go. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial using the Kylie Cosmetics Summer Collection, and I will see you in my next video.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of